Hello everyone, so I'm inside Dollar Tree and as you can see this wall is entirely covered with fall and some Halloween finds. I also have some really, oh these are hiding here. Usually they're with the, well usually they're on an end cap so they're kind of tucked away in the corner here. These are beautiful if you want to paint, transform them, you can fake galvanize them. These signs are easy to transform on the back if you don't like any of the actual prints on them. This one's actually really pretty. Anyways, I have some really great news. Inside the store is a ton of Christmas things, not just a little bit, a ton. So I will get to that area in a few minutes. These can also be easily transformed. They have a ton of fairy garden items, so if you need things and you know where this store is, head on in because they have a lot here. And even the little red truck. These are also new for the fall this year. I think for Christmas you typically see the little berries, but this is a nice package actually. And some LED lights. The little sunflowers. They have the minis and then they have the larger print, well, design. These are fantastic to use as stencils. So if you have a piece of wood and you need to stencil, that works really nicely. They have a ton of these. These sell out really quick, so if you see them, buy them when you do, buy the ones you like because they'll be gone the next time you come in. I like this style. The leaf is not my favorite, but I have a feeling that they had some white ones like this. Oh, one last one hanging around. I think I'm gonna purchase this. It's really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that. They have a lot of the pumpkin wreath forms. Oh, and pumpkin is the spice of life. These will sell really fast. They must have just been put out. And I think there's one with a little blue truck print, but I don't see that up here. This is high, so it's a little tricky for me to show. Oh, they have the red truck. I think we'd seen that one a few weeks back. This store is very well stocked. I'm actually surprised. The other store I was at was pretty much empty of fall things, and here we are with a full store. If I'm not mistaken, I saw these packages at Walmart and I think there are only 6 pencils in it for like $3.49, and this one is a 12-pack. These are really fantastic for organization, especially keeping your kids' go-to items, like crayons, markers, things like that. I hear these work really well as little travel kits. These are new. Learning board. Oh, wow. I haven't seen large, what else do they have here? I have not seen these large paper clips anywhere else. I'm definitely purchasing this little pack. This is awesome. I'm not sure if marble is still in and trendy. I know some of you really love it. Let me know down below if you love the marble effect. I'm not a huge fan, but these would work really nice as makeup trays in a bathroom. They didn't have these last year, and if they did, I missed them, but electric pencil sharpener. If you've tried one and it worked well, please let me know. Oh, some new journals with new stickers. They had a few with unicorns a few months back. These ones are a little bit different. Just some lined paper. Nice to see these restocked because they look so practical. I love the layout. Who's using one of these? It looks like they have some new fall colors for the bin. So the red one you normally see, but they have the navy blue and the deep kind of orange and deeper red that just came out, and some new floral. So I'm lucky again with the calendar box. However, when going through here, I see all the other prints, but none of the blue truck. So I'm going to pull them down and share them with you. I actually really like this one, and I like the Happy Halloween. So I guess October would be my favorite. Which one is your... What calendars are your favorite? This one is fun too because of the fall print. I really like that. But which one do you like of all the calendars? Is it the blue truck? Because I don't even know what the designs are. Or are these cute as well? These are wonderful for Mod Podging and transforming and making your own DIYs at home or journaling, all of those things. I am so excited. I couldn't even tell you. I didn't think we'd see these in our stores. So the skeleton is going to sell really fast. They have a ton of other adorable things here. I'm going to go through them best as I can. There's really a lot of wood. Stickers. Lots of new stickers for Halloween. This end cap was filled with other things just a couple weeks ago, and now it's been transformed with all of these new goodies. So I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm going to go in a little closer to the wood. So these are the cutouts, and you can use these again as stencils. It's hard to share with you when they're all kind of lined up like this, but there's a different one that says Happy Halloween here at the back. I don't know if you can see that. It has little spiders and lots of deco mesh for wreath making. This is awesome. What else? Oh, they have some felt or foam felt, yeah, and some more little, I guess this one can go up here too. Oh, I love the blues. Oh my gosh, these are coming home with me. I gotta pull them off. So cute. What are you using these metal pieces for? Are you using them on signs, or is it a skull? So neat. Wow, Dollar Tree is like stepping up their game. And here's some more stickers that kind of match the skull. So you probably can guess where I'm at, and it's the Christmas decor. And check this out. So you don't even have to create your own little stencils. They have already pre-printed them this year. So many beautiful prints here, so many items. So anyways, we're going to go through all of this stuff because there's a ton of new things this year. Like these little ornament pieces are new and they're already pre-drilled with a hole. Yeah, there's some signs, the nice thick signs, the wood. So they have these trees and stars and the snowflake. I have some DIY ideas for the tree. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so we're going to go through here. I love these little tree prints. This tree cutouts, I'm going to grab a little package of these, I think, as well. So yeah, I like them a lot. All right. I'm super excited. I don't know. I always get like I don't know what it is. It's like, oh my gosh, here's all this new stuff. So the fall transition has moved over to the other wall. They still have a few things here, but then on the other side is a ton more of Christmas stuff. So I'll get to that in a second. So when I come back, this will be completely overhauled with Christmas things. So there's some fall stuff still kicking around, but look at this. This is all Christmas. These are new little trees. Oh, I need these in my life. They're so cute. And like the little snowmen. Yep, these are coming home with me. And the little mini trees. Okay, so this is just going to be, you know, buy all the things, no self-control. And yeah, that's just the way it's going to be today. What else do I need? Oh my gosh, I need all the things. These are so freaking cute. I love the trees. These are new, and they come in a pack of 2. Really pretty as well to do some decal work on them. And then they have, oh, these are new as well. They're nice and thick. Oh, I almost missed these wooden angels. These are beautiful. Oh, but they have little felt wings, but that's okay. I'm still gonna grab them. I love these. I've done DIYs with them. Here's some rounds ornaments. The nice chunky wood too. You can do some really nice distressing and woodwork. I think this is supposed to be a star. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the cut right now. And I know that there's some other trucks out there. Oh, and there's a camper back here as well, but there's a different truck cutout floating around out there. So yeah, who else is excited about the Christmas stuff? Oh, this is all of your fault, those who recommended the Tim Tams. My son loves them, so I'm going to buy him another package. I will blame you guys. All right, into my cart here. Let's go down the craft aisle. And see if there's anything new. I already spot a few new things. Like these are new stickers. Beautiful for card making. Yeah. I always like having these types of stickers for making cards, especially with my daughter. She loves making birthday cards as well. These are new sticker packets that I most definitely will be purchasing because I'm a huge sticker hoarder. So I'm just going to share some of the different variety packages here, but it looks like they have multiples of the same sticker in each pack, so it would be really great even to send in Happy Mail. All right, so they're are samples on the back here, as you can see. So these are a little bit more neutral in color. And then they have like a fairy theme. There's a little fairy garden door, the little toadstool, some really cute ones in here. And then these are a little more vibrant or colorful, but they're mainly just birds and floral. I hope you guys can see them. Alright, so just continuing through here. These are newer stickers. As you can see, they haven't even unbanded them to put them on display. Permanent writable white sticker. I filmed quite a bit of this Dollar Tree, so I'm going to break it up into two. I will post the next one separate from this one. I hope you guys enjoyed walking through with me today. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.
Soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.